Hi friends, this is Prashant. Now we'll continue with our third video of current electricity part B numericals, right? Check the question number 21. What the question number 21 says, a resistor of 6 ohm is connected in series with another resistor of 4 ohm. So this is my 6 ohm resistor is connected in series with 4 ohm, across which there is a potential difference is connected, but this is nothing but a battery of EMF given as 20 volt. It is given as what? 20 volt. They want current in the circuit and potential difference across 6 ohm. So right, this is your R1, this is your R2, current they want. So first of all we write, since R1 and R2 are in series, when they are in series, so I can write here RS is equal to R1 plus R2. So I can write here which is equal to 6 plus 4, which is 10. So your current I is equal to EMF upon RS. Now internal is not given, so I will not consider. This is 20 upon 10, which is equal to 2 ampere. This is what? 2 ampere. Right? Now what they want, second part they want potential difference across R1. So we'll write here V1 is equal to I into R1. So this is I will be what? 2 into R1 is 6. That comes up to be 12 volt. Sometimes they can ask find the potential difference across R2 also. So for that case you can write V2 is equal to I into R2. I will be 2 into R2 will be 8, R2 will be 4. That comes up to be 8 volt. Now just check, total EMF, that is 20 is equal to V1 plus V2. Right? This is not asked, but they can ask this question also. Right? This is about 21. Now we'll go to next, that is 22. 22 question number is very important. It's a different type. Check. You have two resistors of resistance 4 ohm and 6 ohm. Now here there are two resistors connected. This is R1, this is your R2, connected in what? Parallel. Right here it draws current. The total current over here is 0.5 ampere. This is your R1, this is your R2. R1 will be your 4 ohm and R2 is your 6 ohm. Right? So let I1 be the current through this R1 and remaining current is 0.5 minus I1. Right? So right here, let I1 be the current through R1 and 0.5 minus I1 through R2. Right? Now since in parallel combination, we can write V1 is equal to V2. Now V1 is nothing but your I1 into R1, I2 into R2. Just check. Here I1 can be written as, I1 is written as your I1 as it is, R1 will be 4. I2 will be, it is 0.5 minus I1 into 6. So this is 2 2s are, 2 3s are. This is 2I1 is equal to 1.5 minus 3I1. So we get this side 5I1 is 1.5. So we can write I1 is 0.3 ampere and your I2 is equal to 0.2 ampere. So current in each will be either 0.3 ampere, it is either 0.3 ampere and other will be 0.2 ampere. This is very important sum. Right? Check the next question, that is 23. 23 question will be your straightforward. Here what is given? Circuit is given in which there are radius resistance is connected. Right? This is connected across this cell. Plus minus EMF, which is 2 volt. This is R1 is 1 ohm, R2 is 2, right? find the current in each. So like here, let current to this is I1, over here current will be I2. Now since your E is equal to I1 into R1, your E and V will be same because internal is not given. So I can write I1 is E upon R1. E will be 2, R1 is 1, that is 2 ampere. And second I2 is E upon R2, which is 2 upon 2, which is equal to 1 ampere. So current in each part will be 2 ampere and 1 ampere. Right? Check the next question. That is 24. Question number 24. Right? In 24 question, what is given? This is very important. Here you have a voltmeter is connected across this. Then there is a ammeter connected. There are two resistors. This is 20 ohm. And another resistor which is R2, which is say R. This is my R1. This ammeter ka value is 0.4 ampere. That is your current. And this EMF is given as 4 volt. So what is the data given? This is your EMF, this is your current R. First of all, what they want, find the total resistance. So I can write here total resistance, that is first I is equal to EMF upon total resistance. So I can write this total resistance RT is equal to EMF upon I. EMF is 4, current is 0.4, that is equal to 10 ohm is the total resistance. Next part we want value of R. So for that purpose, now since your R1 and R2 are in parallel, or they are connected, they are in parallel. So we can write here therefore 1 by RT is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So that is 1 by 10 is equal to 1 by 20 plus 1 by R. If you solve this, this comes out to be 20 ohm. R will be 20 ohm. Now what they want here, current through R. So we write here C part, since both the resistors are same, therefore current is distributed equally. Current कैसे distribute होगा? Equally. So I can write therefore I1 is equal to I2 is equal to 0.2 ampere. Current through each part will be 0.2 ampere. This is very important. Check. Question number 25. Next will be 25. Now what is 25.6? In 25, what is given? A particular resistance wire has a resistance of 3 ohm per meter. That is, for 1 meter length wire, R is equal to 3 ohm. So, for 1.5 meter length wire, R is equal to 3 into 1.5, which comes out to be 4.5 ohm. 4.5. Now in A part, what is given? The total resistance of 3 lengths of this wire, each of 1.5, join in parallel. Now these 3 wires are connected in parallel. Right? This way they are connected. This each is of 4.5 ohm. This is 4.5, 4.5 ohm. This is 4.5 ohm. So they want, what is the parallel resistance? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 upon 4.5 plus 1 upon 4.5 plus 1 upon 4.5. This comes out to be 3 upon 4.5. So your Rp is equal to 4.5 upon 3, which is 1.5 ohm. This is 1.5 ohm. अब इसका B part देखो. What is B part given? The potential difference of battery, which gives a current of I, is given as 2 ampere in each of the 1.5 meter lengths. So your resistance is 4.5 ohm. So we have V is equal to question mark. So V is equal to I into R. I is 2, R is 4.5. That comes up to be 9 volt. Potential difference कितना हो गया 9. अभी check the third part. Third part में क्या दिया? C part. The resistance of 5 meter length of wire of same material. Now, since R1 1 मीटर के लिए 3 ओम था, तो 5 मीटर के लिए क्या होगा? R1 is equal to 5 into 3, which is equal to 15 ohm will be the resistance for 5 meter. Same material but twice the area. Now area A2 is twice of A1. Area कितना हो गया? Twice of A1. And what they want here, resistance R2 ढूंढना. We have R1 is equal to rho L1 upon A1. Equation number 1. This we have done in part A. R is equal to rho L upon A. Rho is called specific resistance. तो ये तो constant रहेगा because material is same. So this is R2 is equal to rho L2 upon A2. Equation number 2. Now length is same. So I will divide it 2 by 1 because मुझे R2 ढूंढना. So I can write here R2 by R1 is rho L2 upon A2 upon rho L1 upon A1. सब cancel हो जाएगा. This comes out to be, this is A1 upon A2. A1 as it is, A2 is twice of A1. ये cancel हुआ. So we get R2 upon 15 is equal to 1 by 2. So R2 is equal to 15 upon 2, which is equal to 7.5 ohm. R2 कितना हो गया? 7.5. Right? This is again a 4-mark question. Very, very important. Right? This is very, very important. Right? Check the 26th. Now all these numericals after 24, rather 24th onwards, yes, all are 4-mark numerical and very important. You can't take them easily. You require practice to solve this. 26th question, what is given? A cell supplies a current of 1.2 ampere through 2 resistors, each of whom are connected in parallel. Now there are 2 cases, right? When they are connected in parallel and second they are connected in series. So here, these are 2 resistors, each of whom are connected in parallel in this way. This is EMF, whose internal resistance smaller, which is to be determined. Current is I1, which is given as 1.2 ampere. This is R1 is 2 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm. Right? This is the first case. In second case, R1, R2, each of 2 ohm. Same cell, key as it is, plus minus EMF and R. Current is different because pattern is different, 0.4 ampere. Check this part. अभी क्या दिया है देखो. Now, right here, when since R1 and R2 are in parallel. So when they are in parallel, I can write therefore 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, which is 2 by 2, which is equal to 1. So I can write here Rp is equal to 1. Rp is equal to 1. So I can write here therefore I1 is EMF upon Rp plus small r. So this is E is equal to I1 Rp plus small r. I1 is 1.2, this is 1 plus small r, equation number 1. Now since your R1 and R2 over here are in series, when they are in series, your Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 and the 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4 ohm. Now I2 is equal to your EMF upon Rs plus small r. So I can write here E is equal to I2 Rs plus small r, which is equal to 0.4 4 plus small r, equation number 2. Now if I compare these 1 and 2, if I compare those equations, we can write left hand side is C. So right here from 1 and 2 we can equate this. So this is 1.2, 1 plus r is equal to 0.4, 4 plus r. This is 1 za, this is 3 za. 3 plus 3r is equal to 4 plus r. So r is equal to 1 by 2, which is 0.5 ohm. This is your resistance value. Now I will substitute your R in say equation 1. So you will get E is equal to, this is your 1.2, 1 plus 0.5. This is 1.2 into 1.5. This comes out to be 1.8 volt. So this is again 4-mark question, very important, right? Now come to 27th question. Question number 27. It is similar type. Just check what is given in 27. In 27th question, a battery of EMF 15 volt. Right, this is 27. I will draw diagram. So this is two resistors. They are connected in parallel to a cell along with the key. Right. So here there are two resistors. EMF is given as 15 volt. Small r is given as 3 ohm. Now R1 is equal to 3 ohm and R2 is equal to 6 ohm. Current will be I, right? Current is what? I, right? Find the current in circuit. Okay, so write here, since your R1 and R2 are in parallel. So when they are in parallel, so I can write here 1 by Rp is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. So to get Rp is equal to 2 ohm. Rp will be 2. So I can write find I is equal to EMF upon Rp plus small r. Now EMF is our 15. Rp is 2 plus 3. So 15 by 5, which is equal to 3 ampere. This is the current. Now what they want? Terminal voltage. So terminal voltage में क्या होगा? So since E is equal to V plus IR, so this is here equal to 15 is equal to V plus 3 into 3. This comes out to be V is equal to 6 volt. Terminal voltage कितना होगा? 6 volt. Now check this part, next part. They want current in each. So we write here, let the current through this is I1. So remaining current will be 3 minus I1. So we write here, let I1 be the current through R1 and 3 minus I1 through R2. Now, since you have in parallel combination, potential difference is same, PD is same, and PD का value दिया हुआ है. So I can write therefore V is equal to I1 into R1. So your I1 is equal to V upon R1, which is 6 upon 3, which is 2 ampere, and I2 is V upon R2, which is 6 upon 6, which is 1 ampere. So current to each will be 2 ampere and 1 ampere. Right? Now we'll go with the 28. Now we have only 31 numericals. So इसमें से 28 कर रहे हैं. Check the 28. Again important sum is different type. What is given in 28? In 28 question, diagram is given. Right? There are two resistors connected in parallel. This is one. Second. This is of 2 ohm. This is of R ohm. This is connected as 4 ohm. Right? This is a cell. This is key. Current over here is given as 0.25, which is 1 by 4 ampere. EMF is 2 volt. Internal is given as 3 ohm. And this is your key. They want PD across 4 ohm. So I will write here, this is R1. So write here A part में, let V1 be the potential difference across R1. So we can write here Ohm's law से V1 is I into R1. I value is 1 by 4 into 4, which comes up to be 1 volt. Potential difference कितना हो गया? 1 volt. Check the V part. What is given in V part? PD across internal resistance. So small v is equal to I into R, 1 by 4 into 3, which is 0.75 volt. Is PD across internal. C part में PD across R or 2 ohm. So right here, let V2 be the potential difference across R ohm or 2 ohm. It will be the same, right? So we have EMF is nothing but it is the sum of potential difference across each resistor. EMF is nothing but your V2 plus V1 plus small v. I repeat, EMF is nothing but it is the sum of potential difference across each resistor. मतलब ये दोनों का combination का एक है plus this plus internal. So this is given as 2 volt. This is V2 पता नहीं है. This is 1 plus 0.75. So your V2 comes up to be 0.25 volt. कितना होगा? 0.25. Now they want the resistance value. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है कि D part है. Since your 2 ohm and R ohm are in parallel, how they are connected? They are connected in parallel. So I can write here Rp is equal to, I am writing this part 1 upon Rp is 1 by 2 plus 1 by R. If I cross multiply, I am getting Rp is equal to 2R upon 2 plus R. Right? Now we have already taken V2 be the potential difference across this. Therefore, V2 is equal to I into Rp. So V2 का value कितना है? 0.25. This is 0.25. Rp will be 2R upon 2 plus R. This 0.25 cancel. So this is 2 plus R is equal to 2R. Therefore, R is equal to 2 ohm. Resistance will be of 2 ohm. Right? Right? Now this is very important sum. Just check this part properly. Now we'll go with 29th. 29th question. Right? 29th में what is given? In 29th question, you have a circuit diagram. So this is a cell across which there is a resistor which is called as R1, which is 6 ohm. Here is one more resistor. Here is second resistor called as R2, which is of 2 ohm. This is R3, which is of 4 ohm. This EMF is given as how much? It is a 6 volt, right? Abhi they want total resistance of circuit and they want what is the current in a circuit. So when the current flow through this, over here current is I. Now your current has 2 parts, over here and over here. Say that over here current is I1 and over here it is I2. Now the same current flow through these two. Same current flows through these two. So same current is same. So they are connected in what? Series. So like here since R2 and R3 are in series. Are in what? Series. So can I write here RS is equal to, this is 2 plus 4, which is equal to 6. Now it is 6. Now how this circuit will rearrange as, this is your cell, this is your R1, and across this is your R2, but this is your RS, this is your R1. It remaining part as it is. So I can write here, since your R1 and RS are in parallel, are in what? Parallel. So I can write here 1 by Rp is 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, which is 2 by 6. So we get Rp is equal to 3 ohm. Rp क्या हो गया? 3 ohm. Now what is the current over here? So I is equal to EMF upon Rp. EMF is 6 upon 3, which is 2 ampere. करंट कितना रहेगा, दिस इज 2 एम्पियर, राइट, इट इज 20. Check the 30th. Question number 30. Question number 30. Now what is given? 30 is again lengthy sum. Just check. In question 30, you have here there are two resistors. These are two resistors called as R1, R2. Here is a cell. Here they are connecting ammeter, is not required now for me. Here there are three resistors connected in parallel. You see, right? This is a cell of EMF 1.8 volt. This is R3, R4, R4. R1 is given as 10 ohm. This is given as 40 ohm. This is 30 ohm. This is 20 ohm. And this last one is 60 ohm. So first of all, your R1 and R2 are in parallel. So we write here, since R1 and R2 are in parallel. So when they are in parallel, I can write 1 by RP1 is 1 by 10 plus 1 by 40. So if you solve this, this comes out to be RP1 is equal to 8 ohm. RP1 is equal to what? 8 ohm. Now since next part में देखो R3, R4 and R5 are in parallel. Are in what parallel? Are in parallel. So I can write here, therefore 1 by RP2 is 1 by 30 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 60. Right? If you solve this, this comes out to be RP2 is equal to RP2 comes out to be 10 ohm. कितना आएगा 10. Now after this, just check the diagram. This is your RP1. This is your cell. And here is your RP2. Now just tell me how they are connected. They are connected one after another. Means they are in series. So write here, since your RP1 and RP2 are in series. Are in what series? So I can write here RS is equal to, this is 8 plus 10, that comes out to be 18 ohm. Total resistance कितना हो गया 18 ohm. Therefore अभी current I is equal to EMF upon RS, which is 1.8 upon 18, that comes out to be 0.1 ampere. कितना हो गया 0.1 ampere. This is very important sum, right? Now we'll go with the last sum of this chapter, right? Last sum, right? 31 sum, that is last. We have, this is a cell of EMF 2 volt, internal resistance 1.2 ohm. This is connected to a ammeter of resistance 0.8 ampere. There are two resistors connected in parallel. Okay, this is very tricky sum. It's not difficult, it's very easy. Right? This is 4.5 ohm and this is 9 ohm. Find the reading of ammeter. Reading of ammeter is always total current in the circuit. They want I. So सबसे पहले will write here, since 4.5 ohm, these two are in parallel, and 9 ohm, 4.5 ohm and 9 ohm are in parallel. Now they are connected, they are in parallel. So I can write here 1 by Rp is 1 by, say, R1 plus 1 by R2. This is my R1, this is my R2. So can I write this is 1 upon 4.5 plus 1 by 9. So this comes out to be, this is 2 plus 1 upon 9. So you can write Rp is equal to 3 ohm. Rp कितना हो गया 3 ohm. Now they want current, so current I is equal to EMF upon Rp plus ammeter resistance plus internal. EMF is 2, RP is 3 plus 0.8 plus 1.2. So this is 2 by 5, which is 0.4 ampere. This is current through circuit. Now what they want, second part, terminal voltage, potential difference across the terminal. So this was your A part. In B part, they want E is equal to V plus IR. E is 2, this is V, plus I is 0.4 into 1.2, right? So this is 2 is equal to, this is V plus, kitna aega 0.48, this V is equal to 1.52, kitna aega 1.52 volt, this is terminal voltage. Now check the last part. Last part में क्या पूछा है? Potential difference across 4.5 ohm. So we write here, since these two are in parallel and current in each is not known, so what we have to take, the potential difference across 4.5 or it is 9 ohm. I will write here, potential difference across 4.5 ohm or 9 ohm is V1 is equal to I into RP. दोनों का वैल्यू सेम रहेगा, whether you take 4.5 or 9. So that is 0.4 into 3, which is 1.2 volt, right? This is very important part. Now that's it for this video. We'll continue remaining chapters step by step, right? Just please do subscribe my channel so that I will put more videos. Thank you so much.